again. We're back on the job today. It's a beautiful day. Today's job is fit the roof windows, which we've got now, Velux windows. We're gonna fit those today. We're gonna do all the battening as well for the roof tiles, get that all prepared. And we are also gonna attempt to see if we can get the plasterboard ceilings up today as well. So it's gonna be a busy day. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do that and like and share to your friends and let them see our projects that we're doing. And once again, thanks for watching. Look, up. All of our roof battens are in, our windows are in as well. It's just ready now. We've got to sort out the flashing at the back here. That's the old flashing. But other than that, we're good to go. We're just waiting for the tiles, the roof tiles, to get delivered. And once we've got those, we can come back and lay these So here's the ceiling inside, plasterboard that we've done. We've got to plasterboard the triangles as well, but we've done the ceiling area. Also done the internal reveals of the windows, and then next will be to plaster the ceilings. So that's it for today. We're done, job done for the day, and we'll catch up with you guys on the next video. So make sure you subscribe if you'd like to keep updated with our progress. I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye.